Hey friends, welcome back. This is Paula with Paula's Imperfect Plans. On my channel, I show my planning journey as a wife, a mother, a farmer, a professional, and a nonprofit, and what I utilize to help me be efficient and effective. For my family of 5, I'm adding budgeting to my channel, so that's been a pretty exciting switch for me. Today I am updating my Wonderland222 A6, my everyday carry. I'm updating the weeklies as this is with me all the time, and then I am doing the dailies from Monday, May 15th through Sunday, the 21st. So that is the current week that I am planning in. So let's get to it here. So I have added a few things for this week. As we went, I have my workouts down. I'm going to add more. And there's me just reaching all the way across the table. I'm just gonna add a Zoom sticker. I wrote that Zoom meeting in there, but yeah, I think that is actually still correct for this upcoming week. If I go into this week, I have added better open my review planner here. Let's see what we have going. We have okay, that week is still up to date. So if I go, I haven't even planned the last week yet. So I will go into the daily pages, starting on Monday, May 15th. I do just try to put I'm going to use those. I've recently gotten some more freebies from Planner Kate. So I have an all-day meeting, and I know that. It's like our state on-site review for our job. So I have a whole all-day meeting in a different town at corporate where we usually work. Or not where we usually work, where I usually don't work. So I know that is on there. For Tuesday the 16th, I don't think I just have a bunch of home visits, which don't need to go on here, because this is essentially my personal to-do list basically for the week. Thursday, Friday, I have a meeting with I'm just gonna put, no, I'm not gonna do that either. I don't like that. So I have a meeting at 1:30. So I didn't add that. See, sometimes I do silly things. Okay, so for the weekly on the 19th, next Friday, we are meeting with a new life insurance person associated with an organization that my husband now belongs to, and so we are going to do some evaluating of our life insurance, which I had kind of started to do before he contacted us. Anyway, I'm going to be evaluating our life insurance situation, so that meeting is that day. It's at my house, so I don't really need anything special for it, but I suppose I better have a note that it's happening or I'll forget it. Okay, 1:30. All right. Otherwise, yeah, I'll lay down to take a nap with my daughter, and then someone will knock on my door, and that'll just be a big old mess, wouldn't it? Okay, so that's an all-day work meeting. I don't have anything special on Tuesday. Lots of home visits, but that doesn't need to go on this page. I am going to make a note on here, though, that that day is, okay, do I have any thing that looks like a birthday sticker? Not really. I think I have some. Do I have to have birthday stickers in here somewhere, guys? Seriously, like sometimes I just want to be like, Paula, what are you doing? This was all stuff you could have gotten organized before this plan with me started. Did we do that? Absolutely not. So all right, well, I don't know. I don't have a clue. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this little flag down here to remind me. I'm actually gonna put take out trash on the Wednesday page, but I'm going to put this flag here to remind me that she likes pink. It is my mother-in-law's birthday, so that's that reminder. I have my take out trash reminder on Wednesday, just a work day on Wednesday, a normal work day on Thursday. I'm actually gonna scoot that over on there, and I'm just gonna put insurance in there just for an additional reminder. Friday is a laundry day. So is Wednesday. Friday is also a payday, so I'm going to put pay bills on my to-do list. I always also like to put in clean house because I usually do that at some point that day when I am boy, that's not straight. Anyway, so today is Friday. We had meetings this morning in town. I had a chiropractor appointment. I had a meeting about my car insurance policy. We came home and did some chores that I like to get done on Friday. My 2-year-old, almost 3-year-old, loves to help. She loves to go and see she loves to help me sweep and mop. So I sweep and mop all of my hard floors, which is my entryway, my kitchen, and my bathroom. And so I sweep, and then she goes behind me kind of with the wet Swiffer, and then we and then I, you know, go one round over it in case I need to. In case I need to just make sure that it gets done. At the graduation party that afternoon, and then there's a birthday party. Actually, like, okay, it's bugging me. So the birthday party starts at 1, but we will not be going to the birthday party until after my kids will wake up from nap. We will go to the graduation party, and then after the graduation party, we will head out to the birthday party for the remainder of the evening. So I've got that there, and then for Sunday, at this point in time, all I have, I believe, is Mass. And yeah, I kind of think that that is all that is on my list. I just like to I will be gone all day that day. So like I will not be doing laundry probably that day. So I probably need to throw laundry on here on Sunday for a laundry day catch up. That's probably appropriate. But yeah, I think that's really all. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay, so all right, so currently this is the week we're in right now. So this is what it looks like as I add some things that happened for the week. Oh, I have another thing. We have a visitation to go to tonight. I have no idea why I made that so wide. No, I don't like that. Someone who my mom knows fairly well died very unexpectedly. His grandson is in class with my son, so we're going to that. His son-in-law delivered all my kids, so I will put this little reminder down there because we get groceries on Monday. Oh, I like that better than what I wrote. So I'm gonna put a little out to eat sticker next to my little lady there because I'm doing a brunch for Mother's Day with my mom and my aunt and my cousin's wife. To add those things in. Even though I already had it written there, sometimes it's fun to add the little school things in there. I know that there's no school this day because this is after the end of the year, But honestly, it might be a nice reminder as I'm in this week. It's going to be different to get rid of, to get used to like, no school days and such, or like my kids being home with me all the time. So that might be a good reminder that week that that is in there. All right, so I think that that is all that we have. This is next week upcoming, and my dailies for the next week upcoming are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.